Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today guess what we have? We have Goldie Boxed. It came today and we're going to find out what I picked. Are you familiar with Goldie Boxed? It looks like I might have something busted in here. Uh-oh. Might have a boo-boo. Oh dear. Yeah, it's a mess. I hope I don't get all dirty just from opening it up. This is my little product sheet. I just want to show you guys that something that I ordered is all over the place. And it's orange and I'm not sure what it is. So I'm going to have to tread through here lightly. She is environmentally friendly and she does her own packing with used cardboard that she uses for that. She has put in some very pretty paper. But again, my box is busted and it's got stuff all over it. I just hope it's not ruined. And I have no idea what's all over the place. So this is kind of starting off, on a bad note. I found the little culprit. I don't know what this is. It's some orange stuff. I don't know. I guess I'll find out what this is, but you can tell it's split wide open. And it's everywhere in my box. Eek! Okay, well, Jessica is great. That's the only thing I can tell you, that she will make good on this. One way or the other, she will do something. I know that for a fact. She is just wonderful. If you don't know Jess, she has her own channel, and it's a YouTube channel, and she started her company basically from working with other beauty companies and companies in general. I don't know what all the whole story is, but she decided to do her own box so that we could customize the whole thing, and there's no category, so you can pick how many ever things you want depending on what level that you're at. There is a surprise box, which is like $24.99, and she curates it for you, and it's a surprise. There is the bronze box, which I believe is around $30, give or take. Now, I don't know exactly the price of that one because I don't purchase it, but you get a choice of 3. Then they had the silver bear, and I believe that is around $45, and you get a choice of 5. And then there is the gold bear, which is what I am, and that's $59.99, and you get a choice of 7, and you get all 3 bonuses. Bronze has a bonus, silver has a bonus, gold has a bonus. When you're gold, you get all 3 bonuses, so I will get 10 items in my box today. And as you can see, I'm going to have a little cleanup to do. But we're going to get through this box no matter what. These were the fall options if you want to take a quick browse through there. On our bonuses, we have a Rachel Couture that's $10. We have an especially embroidered set for $7. And we got Oily Blends, which is a fall cup of bath bombs. Okay guys, the first item that I'm seeing that I'm going to have to shake off and try to clean up a little bit. As you can see, I probably won't be able to get all this off. It's probably ruined everything to a certain degree. I mean, you can see it's stained with color and it's got that smell on there. I can't say I like the smell. I'm not fond of it. So this is going to be an interesting box. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's stained up. But that's what I have. I have the smiley cap with a few little stains on there. And we're just going to get through this because you know how we always tell you we're not responsible for damage and anything broken and blah, blah, blah. This is part of the reason. We can't control what happens when the postman or the FedEx guy has it and what happens in between. But as far as Jessica goes, a lot of times she has multiples of these items and can replace them and will. We don't. So, but anyways, let's get on with this. I picked this cap. This was the AKK Smile Design Ponytail Friendly Baseball Cap in black or khaki, and I got it in khaki, as you could see. And I think it's going to be really cute. I think it actually goes with what I have on today, other than being a little bit discolored, but you can't really tell. So I got the cap, and I could pull my ponytail through there, and it was a $19.99 value. So very good, very good. And like I said, I don't know, it's dirty. And I'm not going to be able to there's not much I can do about that right at the moment. Everything's dirty. See, it's just everywhere. That stuff is everywhere. Okay, this is just going to be an unusual box opening. I probably need to get me a little towel. I'm grabbing a couple of tissues so I can try to wipe it off. I'm definitely not going to put it back in this box once I get it out. Okay, I think this is the bonus. This is the Bronze Rachel Couture, $10, a 3-piece vegan makeup set with a brow pencil, black for dark hair, or use the pencil liner if you have light hair, liquid eyeliner, and mascara, all of which are infused with hibiscus extract. So that sounds interesting. I think I'll probably like that. That's a nice little bonus, and it has, like I said, a $10 value. The next item I'm pulling out of here and cleaning off is the avocado, and this was a facial palette. Oh my goodness, it even got down in there. Can y'all see that? I do want to tell you, if you are interested in a Goldie Box, I do have a code. It's Miss Jackie 10, and you can save 10% on your first box. And I'm going to take off this cover. Aren't these pretty colors? I just loved the avocado colors in this palette. I just thought it was so nice. It's not an expensive palette. You can tell because it's just kind of made out of cardboard, but it's shiny and it's got a magnetic closure and it'll easily keep, and it's light. So if you needed something light to take along and something kind of fun, then this would be your thing. And this is the Italian Beauty. It's a $19.99 value, and it's an avocado shaped and inspired palette with gorgeous green and mustard shades, which is good. And I'll like those shades. I will use those. Those are very nice. Very, very nice. Our next item that I'm pulling out of here, and let me clean it off a little bit. This is the Apple Cinnamon. It's a River Birch Apple Cinnamon candle, and it smells good. It's a $15 value, and it's a past favorite. And it smells really good, and I'll look forward to burning that candle. Our next item, this is the Mini Mo Velvet, and this is a cleansing butter balm. Ooh, just in time. I just finished up my vitamin C cleansing balm, and I was going to be opening up a new one, and this might be the one I pick. Mini Mo is a $19.95 value. It's a velvet cleansing balm to gently remove makeup and moisturize at all the same time. So I'm very interested in trying this, and because I am going to try it, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. This is what the jar looks like, and of course it's shrink wrapped as well. So let's get in here and see what it's like. It smells, oh, I want y'all to smell it. It smells good. It's got like a citrusy scent to it. I'm going to enjoy that. Very good, very good. And of course the bottle itself is not dirty. It just tells you how to use. You add warm water to rinse off and you're on your way. It's with babusa butter, so that's probably going to make it even better. All right, now let's move on to the next item. The next item is packaged up really well, and it was a popular item, and it is a glass, and it is wrapped up well. And this is a Coffee and Good Reads. This is a handmade gold pumpkin glass for your favorite hot or cold beverage, and has a $19 value. And it's got a business card inside there. And this is very nice. And Wendy Jean, over at Unboxing with Wendy Jean, we've got some of that stuff in there. Even inside all that packaging, that stuff is everywhere. This is a nice solid glass. It's got little pumpkins on it. They're gold. And then we got a business card we can scan for the website, but you can order a lid, like a bamboo lid with a straw, to go with this. And I just may have to do that. She had already done it. I guess she knew about it ahead of time, and she showed it on her channel. So go over there and look for her Goldie Boxed, and you can see exactly what she got. But this is a very sturdy, nice glass coffee mug and or tea mug, or if you just want lemon water in there. I drink a lot of lemon water. Okay guys, our next item, I'm pulling out of here is an unpaper towel. Maybe this is a bonus thing. Let's look on the back here. Unpaper towels are an eco-friendly, washable alternative that go from single-use to reusable. Use them in place of paper napkins, paper towels, baby wipes, and cleaning wipes. So that is what these are. Very interesting. I'm going to open up this one. It kind of looks a little fall-like. And let's see how big they are. Oh, this is a nice little size. It almost reminds me of a washcloth size. But it says it is an unpaper towel. I don't know. I think you could just use these in any ways you wanted to. But it's very cute. I like the little print on there. And then, of course, over here, I have a blue one. So they'll get used. And it says care instructions. Wash and dry with light colors. Do not use fabric softener on it, it says. And then they've got their website on there if you're interested in knowing more about that product. So those had a $7 value. And then this may be a bust. Okay, I have this. It's a Bella Pierre. It's a $40 value. It's a travel brush set that includes 5 brushes in small case. Foundation, blush, concealer, brow liner, and shadow. And I have a feeling it's yucky-fied. Let's keep our fingers crossed that it didn't get inside there, guys, because this stuff is everywhere. I mean, you might want to soak in a bath bomb, but you don't want to wear it. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. There's just a little bit on here. Let me wipe it off. I mean, it's sticky and icky. So I'm going to just get through this the best that I can. Okay, so if I gift any of these things and you see and smell something kind of different, like a bath bomb, well, you'll know what happened. But I don't think it ruined anything. It's just I'm going to have to clean it up a little bit. And this is the Bella Pierre brush set. And you open it up, and on the inside you have your brushes. And they're all nicely packed in there. And this is, again, it's great for travel, and that's one reason I picked them. And the brushes are really, really soft. I don't want to open them up too much right now because I want to get this all cleaned up before I go and do anything. Using anything, wipe everything down good. Besides the brushes, it also has a little zipper purse here where you could keep something other than, you know, your brushes in there. Maybe a couple of lippies or something, maybe an eyeshadow. If it's a single pack, maybe a little blush. So you could put a couple of things. I will say the snap's kind of hard to work with. And I'll also say the packaging, in my opinion now, is just not the best. I think it's a plastic, and I'm not sure of the quality of it, but brushes were really nice. So that was a $40 value. And I have one more item in here, and this she had to do a substitute because the bracelets that she had originally ordered did not come in. It's by Pretty Simple. It's a $26 value, and she went with the same company, I believe. This is a beautiful mini stone beaded bracelet, 5 strands, and simple and chic. And you could pick black, white, or mocha, and I picked mocha because I liked the way that the mocha looked. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. It goes well with what I have on today. But isn't that pretty? I just really love that. So I was fine with making this adjustment. Now the bracelet that was supposed to come is supposed to be in our next box whenever we do it. This here is the fall box. So when we customize our winter box, the other bracelet will be a choice again that we can choose, and I'll just choose it then. By then she should have it in stock and everything. That's it. I will tell you, I'll have to just put my total value up in the screen there because I don't have it written down. But the other thing that I got, which was, this was the gold prize. Okay, the embroidery towels with the silver, this messy piece of oil balm that I have, which I guess that would make why it's a little sticky, because it does have the oil in it. It's a fall coffee cup bath bombs. Bath bombs are individually shrink wrapped. Each bomb is 10 ounces. It's a scent of pumpkin spice latte, taking the fall lover of pumpkin spice to the next level. and it smells okay. I'm just going to say that. I'm not fond of this. But someone else that likes pumpkin, and there's something else, but I don't like pumpkin pie. So that's kind of what it smells like, and that's probably why it's not, very nice for me. But it is a $10 value, and unfortunately it is what's all over my box and all over my products because, again, as you can see, it busted. I'm happy with my box, so don't let that kind of blow you off from a Goldie Box, because Jess does a great product value. She does a great curation. She works really hard to bring us unique and different things. She works with local businesses, so she also supports them, purchases from them, and helps them grow their business by us buying their boxes. So there's other things. There's a tree planted for every box sold, and it says view our environmental impact at foreststation.com/net/forest/Goldie-Boxed. And then she says the packing material in the box and around the fragile items is made by recyclable cardboard, which I told you. And the little crown indicates a brand with a give back story, and that is what Jess is all about. Not only does she bring us nice products, she tries to bring us vegan products, very nice products, and she also tries to, of course, purchase from local vendors. And sometimes that's one reason things might be a little late, or they may be behind because they don't have as many people working for them like a big, large manufacturing company. More things may be handmade. But that is my Goldie Box for this fall 2022, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And like I said, just overlook some of the things that I had to go through, because that is not typical. This is not a typical thing that happens, and it could happen to anyone. We have the River Birch Apple Cinnamon Candle, which I'm gonna love. We have the Velvet Cleansing Butter Balm, which I'm gonna start using right away. We have the Unpaper Towels. We had a set of 2. We got the Bella Pierre with the brushes, and again, I do want to tell you the brushes are very nice and very soft. Like I said, I'm going to use that. And then we also got our avocado palette, which was very pretty. And as one of our bonus items, we got this lip kit that had a value of $10. And then I got my hat with the smiley face on there, and I got my pumpkin glass. It's a nice glass, and I'm going to have to look into that little accessory that Wendy told everybody about. And again, go check out Wendy Jean, Unboxing with Wendy Jean, and I'll have her little, link down there below, and I'll link up Jess, and you can go look at Living Proof Beauty. I think that might be what it is. I might have said it wrong earlier, but I'll get it correct in the description. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. I do have an Advent calendar series that's active, and there will be more calendars coming out. There's 10 out already. There is a giveaway with each one, plus a bonus. The bonus is an Advent calendar curated by me, and that will be a grand prize for someone. You can enter by watching those videos and using the code word. And then, of course, I have some collaborations, and I have a surprise gift out there that's for the man in your life that you might want to win. So anyways, that's all I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.